2026 Kawasaki Z1100. Where raw street power meets everyday performance and every ride feels like pure adrenaline today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Z1100, the latest flagship of Kawasaki's naturally aspirated Supernaked Z family built to replace the legendary Z1000 and sit above the Z900. The Z1100 brings bigger displacement, stronger torque, sharper electronics, and the unmistakable Sugomi attitude that defines Kawasaki's naked bike lineup. This is not just a bigger Z, it is the new king of Kawasaki's Street Fighter family. Kawasaki calls it the pinnacle of Sugomi performance, and the specs prove exactly that. Fierce Sugomi design and road presence. The 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 continues the aggressive, crouching predator look that made the Z series famous, but now with a stronger and more muscular presence. The sharp LED headlight, sculpted tank, aggressive radiator shrouds, and minimalist tail section create a machine that looks ready to attack even while standing still. Kawasaki describes it as fierce and intense Sugomi design, combining visual aggression with a strong sense of movement. The wider and slightly more forward handlebar position also improves control while giving the bike a more commanding riding stance. This is a Street Fighter designed to dominate attention as much as the road. Powerful 1099 cubic centimeters inline-four engine. At the heart of the Z1100 sits a 1099 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four engine, producing 136 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 113 Nm of torque at 7,600 revolutions per minute. Unlike extreme naked superbikes that focus only on top-end speed, Kawasaki tuned this engine for stronger low and mid-range torque where riders use it most in real-world street riding. The result is smoother acceleration, stronger roll-on power, and a more exciting ride in everyday conditions. The 6-speed gearbox, sealed chain final drive, and linear throttle response make the Z1100 feel powerful without becoming overwhelming. This is performance built for the street, not just the dyno chart. Advanced electronics and rider technology. The 2026 Z1100 arrives fully loaded with Kawasaki's latest rider support technology. IMU enhanced electronics provide advanced traction control, cornering management, integrated braking, cruise control, and selectable riding modes including sport, road, rain, and rider. Electronic throttle valves improve throttle precision, while the bidirectional Kawasaki quick shifter adds smoother aggressive shifting. The 5-inch full-color TFT display includes smartphone connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation through Kawasaki's Radiology app, giving the cockpit a premium and modern feel. This is a Supernaked built with both excitement and confidence in mind. Lightweight aluminum chassis and sharp handling. Handling is where the Z1100 separates itself from heavier sport touring machines. It uses a twin-tube aluminum frame, a 41mm inverted front fork, and horizontal backlink rear suspension to create sharp and direct road feedback. Dual 310mm front brake discs with radial monoblock calipers provide serious stopping power, while the 190-section rear tire helps manage all that torque with stability. With a curb weight of 221 kg and a wheelbase of 1,440mm, the bike balances highway stability with surprisingly agile cornering. Kawasaki built this machine to feel planted, precise, and aggressive at every speed. Everyday comfort and practical riding. Even with its flagship performance, the Z1100 is designed to remain practical for daily use. The 815mm seat height keeps it accessible for a wide range of riders, while the revised handlebar position improves comfort during commuting and longer weekend rides. The 17-liter fuel tank supports longer distance riding, and cruise control adds major comfort for highway travel. Riders looking for a machine that feels exciting on weekend canyon runs but still manageable during weekday commuting will find the Z1100 surprisingly well balanced. Real rider reactions. Motorcycle communities are already debating whether the Z1100 is the perfect step above the Z900. Some Reddit writers praise the bike for its stronger torque curve and added premium features like cruise control and the 6-axis IMU, calling it a true torquey street bike rather than a naked superbike. Others mention that while the horsepower increase over the Z900 is not huge, the real advantage is the stronger mid-range performance and better street-focused character. One writer summed it up simply: the Z also comes with cruise control and the 6-axis IMU. The focus is on low-end power and torque that perfectly explains the Z1100's identity. Final verdict. The 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 is not trying to be a track-focused naked superbike. It is built to be the ultimate real-world street fighter. It combines strong inline-four performance, aggressive Sugomi design, premium electronics, and daily usability into a machine that feels powerful, refined, and seriously exciting for riders who want more torque, more presence, and more control without going full supercharged madness. The Z1100 stands as Kawasaki's smartest flagship naked bike.